kilto chaltwea komun chayapsi chalsis sumnita. eSIM. Very fast and easy to use this eSIM. eSIM is stable. Nice. Good connection, thanks. And 5G. Code, QR code. (1G) SIM. A good eSIM for the time I was in Dubai for a stopover. Would definitely recommend. YouTube, 3GB. I recommend it to everyone. It is convenient, easy to use, reasonably priced, and has good link speed. We used this eSIM during our quick stay in Dubai and were genuinely impressed. It was both affordable and highly reliable, offering fast cellular data with almost no signal issues throughout the trip. Having this eSIM kept us connected with our loved ones back home and gave us peace of mind knowing we could access maps, apps, and other online services whenever and wherever we needed. It made navigating Dubai so much easier and stress-free. Highly recommended for anyone traveling to Dubai who wants a dependable, hassle-free internet connection. eSIM. It was easy to set up and the speed was good. I was able to use it without any problems anywhere when I went on a desert tour. The flight was oversold and I stayed an extra day. I bought an extra day and used it immediately. It was very convenient. Works perfectly and easy to activate just by scanning the QR code. Affordable price too compared to other providers. Good connection and unlimited data. I will continue to buy and use it. Although the installation took a while, the network is very stable. It was my first time in Dubai, so I was worried, but it went very smoothly without any problems.